Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's unlock 10 secret rainbow idioms with meanings and examples. Number 1. Chasing rainbows. It means trying to achieve something impossible or very unrealistic. Example. He thinks he'll be a billionaire next year with no plan at all. He's just chasing rainbows. Number 2. A rainbow of something. It means a wide and colorful variety of something. Example. The market stalls offered a rainbow of spices from all around the world. Number 3. To look for the rainbow after the storm. It means to look for something positive after a difficult or sad time. Example. Losing his job was hard, but he tried to look for the rainbow after the storm and started his own business. Number 4. To see a rainbow through the rain. It means to stay hopeful and optimistic even while problems are still happening. Example. The team was losing, but their coach saw a rainbow through the rain and encouraged them to keep fighting. Number 5. To paint the world in rainbow colors. It means to describe or imagine life in a very positive, colorful, and ideal way. Example, children often paint the world in rainbow colors, believing anything is possible. Number 6. To find a rainbow in the darkest sky. It means to find hope or beauty in a very bad situation. Example, after the accident, she found a rainbow in the darkest sky by appreciating the friends who supported her. Number 7. A bridge of rainbows. It means a connection filled with hope, peace, or reconciliation between people or groups. Example, the cultural festival built a bridge of rainbows between the two communities. Number 8. To follow the rainbow. It means to follow your dreams, even if the path is uncertain. Example, he left his safe office job to follow the rainbow and become a photographer. Number 9. To live under a rainbow. It means to live a life that seems very lucky, happy, and trouble-free. Example, from the outside, it looked like their family lived under a rainbow, but they had many hidden struggles. Number 10. To share the same rainbow. It means to share the same hope, dream, or positive goal. Example, people from many countries came together to share the same rainbow of peace and equality. Hey friends, that's your colorful crash course on 10 rainbow idioms. Now you can chase rainbows without getting lost. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.